I'm Andrew and we're here at the LEGO booth and I'm really excited to be showing you guys a brand new play theme that we're introducing later this year. It's called LEGO Hid Inside. This is a really unique play theme that's based around these two kids and their professor in a haunted town, and they notice a lot of paranormal activity. The professor invents an app that helps uncover this, and as you can see, these 8 different sets that are coming out later this year, and it starts with a traditional LEGO building experience. So you actually build these sets, but the really cool thing about this play theme is it has a fully integrated AR and interactive gameplay component. So as you can see, we have a graveyard here from the town, and we also have the app that the professor built. These all represent different places around the town in which paranormal activity has been going on. So if we go to the graveyard here, we're going to see that it's going to ask us to scan the set. And this is where the AR really comes alive. So you'll see here, as soon as it loads, it has an outline of the set, but if I line that up with the set that we just built, it starts to come alive and it really unlocks a whole interactive, animated environment here. So you're seeing the set really come alive, and as you can see here, with the app, I'm able to determine, look at that, there's a ghost, and he's gonna come in and he is about to haunt this set. So then, through this, you'll notice that it's asking me to do different things on the physical set. So it's asking me to turn this to find different points of the set. And so it's unlocking this gaming component here. So unlike a lot of AR that just is a layer on top of the physical, this you're really actually manipulating the physical set in addition to the digital. So it's affecting it, which is a really unique play experience that hasn't been done before. And so as you can see, there's a lot of animated gameplay. Eventually you end up trapping the ghosts and freeing the town of the paranormal activity. So as you can see, here's a little bit of the gameplay. And I won't walk you through the whole demo there, but eventually you do capture the ghost. So we're really excited about these 8 sets that are coming later this year, and that's LEGO Hid Inside.